this class we're going to paint some trees with snow, and we're not gonna worry about details or anything like that. We're gonna paint it actually wet on wet. We're gonna use lots of water, and I want you to reuse your palette after painting some other trees. I have some phthalo blue here, cobalt blue, and some indigo basically. Then I have like some of the greens in here that I'm gonna use as well. So you wanna first dilute this to a consistency of like really water-like ratio. Things are really diluted with water. I'm gonna grab way more paint. First, where's the top of my tree? Right here. So there's the top of my tree. I want a little more color. You just keep grabbing colors, but different colors all the time. Like you are mixing colors on the paper. And you can add more water if you want to. Whatever the areas you keep paper white, that's going to be the snow. So you can keep going lower and lower. I'm gonna grab some green now. So I just grab some green and I'm recreating this tree here, right? So that's my first tree. Now I'm going to grab this time, I guess, more indigo. I want more indigo this time, but way more water with my paint. And I'm going to paint the second tree. So where is the top? Let's say right here is my top. And I'm going to show that the tree is covered in snow by omitting some of the areas, so I'm not going to add color everywhere. And just like gonna spread these branches. There you go. That's my tree as well here. Now even more of that water for the next tree. This one is going to be really tall. Way taller. I just grab some more of the indigo, but I need more water. And I'm gonna go back to the trees I just painted to add a heavier ratio between water and paint towards the middle sections. More of that mix. I'll show you what I'm grabbing. This is really just diluted paint with water. And that's gonna be my other tree here. There you go. Now, do I have any blue left anywhere? Can't see much, but I'm gonna grab some of that color, place it on the bottom, and then with the other brush, let's see this is my songbird. I just added water from the bottom, on the bottom there. And now I need a little blue. I'm going to squeeze some phthalo blue here, and I'm just gonna grab this heavy cream-like ratio between water and paint of green and blue. So you don't have to use the same colors. You can definitely use different colors. This is just my green and blue. And I'm gonna add it towards the center over here of this tree. This is very quickly done, so just have fun with it. I'm gonna grab a little bit of indigo as well. So you don't overthink it, you do it very fast, connect some of the pieces and go through the tree, mostly the middle section where you want to add the colors. Mostly the middle sections. Connect it a little bit, but this is the middle section of my tree right there, and then I have this one right here. If you want to add more towards the top, you can do that too. So with the tip of your brush, perfect, simple like that. We can add another tree if we want to. So just grab more color. Maybe I'll keep this one more transparent since it's going to be more in the background. So blue and some yellow, or some green. Blue and some green. So that's my tree in the background. More water to make it more transparent. Perfect. And that's all we want to do for this tree. There's not much to it. Maybe another tree right here in the background. And that's our forest with a forest. We can also grab a Richeson brush. This is my Richeson brush, size 2. I'm grabbing cream top-like ratio between water and paint of the green, blue, some indigo here. I could grab a little bit of Van Dyke brown too. And just to add like this cream top-like ratio between water and paint in the middle section here. You can recreate some of the branches just to connect the pieces between the wet puddles of paint, basically. If you want to recreate some of these branches, you just go and dragging through the wet areas. Something like that. A little more of that phthalo blue. Just add it on the bottom here. And that's pretty much it. We could always lift a little bit too, but to be honest, I think it's fine the way it is. I'm so tempted to always lift colors. I want to keep it simple. I'm going to add a golden frame, and that's all you really need to do for a pretty card like this. Very simple, and it's really fun to paint these. So thank you so much, and please let me know if you have any questions.